So this reminds me of Derek from Vice Grip Garage.
Well, let's load it up. Yeah, I imagine it is. A little scary. But look at all this space for the surprise. That's pretty cool. What you think? Will it work?
What you think? It's kind of spooky going up in this car mainly because it's standard transmission, so you have to ride the clutch.
Yeah.
Pretty much. This tire, am I further over that way than this way?
Yeah, you are. So you're not quite even.
So I'm a little bit further over to the right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you need to do is
I need to mark it.
Yeah, you need to mark it.
Because Freebird, the tires are going to be pretty much on these things.
On right. The Miata's a little bit.
I wasn't sure where the Miata was going to fall out.
Right.
This one kind of lacked on me a little bit. When I got here, picked that up.
Yeah. Yeah.
The other side I don't think did it. So it's just I don't know why, but I don't think that side did it.
No, I think this side. Well, that'll work. That'll work.
So we can pull it that far forward. Pull it that far forward on that car.
Yep.
Freebird ain't gonna be able to pull that far forward because the front end sticks out so far.
Right.
And it's a longer car. So I'll be able to ride with it. The back tire is probably along in here.
Yep.
Or maybe further down.
Yep. But you got the tie downs, and they ain't going nowhere.
Yep.
Works out really good. And that's a good bit amount of space of what's left to do what we want to do. All right. You're so awesome. You're so awesome.
He said, if it works, is it really a bad idea? And it works, so it must have been a good idea.
Way you have it set up.
I mean, the thing about it is, the long ramps, we have to do this, but I don't mind doing this compared to difference in price.
Yes. Cheaper in price and easier to store, too.
And yeah, because I wouldn't have to put those in.
Yep.
I'd have to
You'd have.
here and hope nobody stole it. Because Corey Wheat, they went to one of them car show things, had their trailer and everything, come back to load their stuff up, and somebody stole their winch off their trailer.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So they couldn't load up anything.
Well, they just don't have a winch on their trailer no more.
Oh.
I mean, they were still able to load up.
Huh.
But some of their vehicles, they have them where they winch them up on there just because it's kind of sketchy. Well,
Yeah.
I say it's sketchy. Winching one up on there, you know, all you gotta do is kind of line it up, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, instead of driving it.
Driving it up.
Yeah.
On something with a standard transmission, it's a whole lot easier than having to ride the clutch.
Right.
Freebird ain't a problem at all, man.
is we might just take Freebird on the big trip.
Freebird's supposed to get better gas mileage than the Miata. I mean, there ain't no way I can have it ready for this weekend, but next weekend we can take Freebird out.
Really?
Yeah.
Y'all hear that?
Now that I got this,
Yes.
I can haul it down there.
Yes.
And get Jacob
And
to
get
do
the alignment. Yes.
Then I just got to get to the DMV
Yes.
because I got everything else. I got to put insurance on it, get the tags on it,
Yes.
and that won't take just a few minutes because the registration is already done.
Right.
Tags on it. Go get me an inspection. Put my windshield in it. Put an inspection sticker on it.
Oh man.
Right.
All right.
I mean, it's my way for the highway. Can you see me?
Yep.